How to deposit money in Societe Generale. Societe Generale is a major French multinational bank offering retail, corporate, and investment banking, as well as wealth management and insurance services across 60-plus countries. You can deposit via bank branch. Visit a Societe Generale branch near you. Bring your ID like passport, national ID, or driver license and your account details. Fill out a deposit slip with your account information and the amount you wish to deposit. Hand the cash or check to the bank teller, and they will process the deposit. You can use a Societe Generale ATM that accepts cash or check deposits. You can deposit via mobile banking app. You can also deposit via wire transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching.